Hi everyone, this is Gail from What's on Tenerife. Welcome to our YouTube channel and today's video on completing your Spanish passenger locator form. I begin this by typing in passenger locator form Spain into Google, and that brings me up to the link to the Spanish Travel Health. There are two options for the form. You can either complete an individual form or you can complete a family form. The form that I'm going to complete today is the individual form. If you then go to your email address, you should have received a code which you then put back into your form. Just complete all of your personal information in here. And your permanent address is the address that you live at in the UK. Step 2 is your flight information and also details of the address of where you'll be staying once you're on your holiday. You don't have to put the full address of where you're staying, you just have to make sure that you complete the asterisk boxes. So our region is the Canaries, our province is Santa Cruz de Tenerife, and the city and town will depend on where your hotel is located. If you're not too sure on this, you can do a quick search on Google. Otherwise it's probably going to be a Deque, or if you're in Las Americas, then it's going to be a Rona. Step 3 of the form is travel history, so it asks the origin of our trip, which is the United Kingdom, and the starting area of your trip. So for me it's Scotland. And the final stages of the form is reason for trip, which is tourism, save and continue. Just double check your information. Step 4, health questionnaire. So no contact with anyone from COVID. I select other certificate because we are not in the EU anymore. This is, we get quite a lot of questions about this, which certificate to select. So United Kingdom, we have to select other certificate. Then I just put in my vaccination, details of my vaccination. That's our form all completed correctly, so we can just finalise that document now and download it into our wallet, all ready for our holidays. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. See you next time.